choose what stays. If it cannot breathe with me, I will gently clear the way. Light steps, making room for something new. What returns to earth will grow, what is real will carry through. Lake light dancing on the shore, mountain air through open doors after me. Let it be good, clear and kind, just like it should.